Everyone. Today we are going to focus on conditioning exercises. So conditioning exercises are helpful for strengthening your muscles and your whole body. So the first exercise in conditioning exercise today is very simple. We have to just lay on the ground and we have to get up. But we have to avoid using our hands. So we have to do this for 1 minute, and we have to do this for two sets. Okay, so I will quickly show you a demo how we have to do this exercise. So it is very easy. We have to lay down on the ground straight, and then we have to get up. Immediately after this, we have to lay down on the ground, and then again we have to get up. Again we have to lay down on the ground, get up. So you might have seen that I was not using my hands to push the ground while getting up, or while sleeping down on the ground. I was not using my hands to support. So you have to do this continuously for 1 minute, and then you can have a break of 15 seconds, and you have to complete the second set also. So the first exercise was fully focusing on the full body conditioning. The second exercise is normal squats. So in squats, I will distribute this exercise in two parts. So the players who are below 8 have to do normal sit-ups. Okay, and the players who are above 8 have to do not perfect squats. So for the seniors, those who are above 8, I will show you a demo of how to do squats. So you have to take a proper distance in your legs, shoulder distance in your legs, and you have to maintain the posture. Posture is important while doing squats. So you have to you can take your hands for the maintaining the posture ahead, and you have to make sure that your knee should not come ahead of your toes. So you have to sit down like you are sitting on a chair, but virtually, and then you have to get up. You have to hold the sitting position for like 2-3 seconds, and then you have to get up, and again you have to repeat the same. So I will quickly show you a demo of how to do squats. So I will go in a sitting position, and for after 2 seconds I will come up. Again I will go in sitting position, and again I will come up. So I am making a 90-degree angle. I'm making a 90-degree angle with the ground, and my hip should become backward. My back should be, I should try to keep my back straight. So I will do that again. So again 90-degree angle, coming back. 90-degree angle, coming back up. So for all the seniors, you have to do this for 30 seconds and for 2 sets. And for juniors you have to simply do sit-ups. So the thing you have to follow is you have to follow the shoulder distance again, and you have to do sit-ups for 30 seconds. So sit-ups are not, you have to do normal sit-ups. So I will quickly show you a demo. So you have to go down, come up, go down, come up, go down, come up. So for a different angle, you have to go down, come up, go down, come up. So this was for juniors.
Now we are doing our strength exercises. For strength exercise, our first strength exercise is one leg jump and balance. For this, go for starting point, and you have to jump at least 3 feet from the starting point and balance for a 3 feet. 1, 2, 3. Now turn around and go for the opposite leg. Now I show you demo. You are at starting point and jump at least 3 feet. 1, 2, 3. Now turn around and jump at the opposite leg. 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to do our second strength exercise, which is side jump. For this, you have to go to the right side and you have to jump at the left side of your leg. like this, and hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now you have to go to the left side, and you have to jump at the right side, and stand for 3 seconds. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Now I'll show you a demo. One, two, three. One, two, three.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to focus on coordination exercises, and in this part we are going to focus on high knees. We are going to split this high knees into 3 different parts. So in the first part, everyone have to do high knees, making sure that your knees are hitting your hands and the knees are coming upwards. Okay, so in this part you have to place your hands on the waist level range, and then you have to do proper high knees on your toes hitting your palms. Okay, so it will look like so. As you saw that my knees were hitting my hands, and this you have to do for like 30 seconds for 2 sets. Okay, so this was the first part of the high knees. The second part of the high knees is doing the hand movement. So it is just normal. You have to stand in a proper way, having shoulder distance in your legs, and keeping shoulder distance in your legs, and you have to just do your hand movement. So you have to do a proper ear to pocket hand motion, like you are running like you do on while running on the ground. So you have to maintain the proper ear to pocket motion. So I will show you that. So as you will see, my hands are coming from my pocket to my ears, and then going, and I'm continuing this thing. So you have to do this for 30 seconds in 2 sets. I will show you a demo of this also. Make sure your body will be straight, and you are doing the hand movement continuously. So this was the second part. In the third part, you have to combine both the parts, first and second. So in the third part, you have to do the high knees also, and also the ear to pocket motion. This will be included in the whole entire combination of high knee. So same as like the high knees, you have to take your knees up, and same like the ear to pocket motion, you have to maintain the posture. One thing to be followed is your back. You should not bend while doing high knees. You should be at a proper posture. And the second important thing is try to do as many as you can in 30 seconds. You try to beat your count in the next set also. So I will show you a demo how you have to do high knees in the third set. Okay. So as you saw, my knees also were coming up, and my hands were in the ear to pocket motion.